severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for east central Wayne County and south central Illinois, and west central Edwards County and southeast Illinois until 10:15 p.m. At 9:57 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing golf ball-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 6 miles west of Albion, moving southeast to 10 miles per hour. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 10:15 p.m. for the following county: Edwards County, Illinois. Taking a look at your